Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Hacksplosion. Today, we're talking about the new UEFA Champions League format starting in the 2024-25 season. Forget everything you know about the old group stage. This new format is wild. More teams, more matches, and more drama. Stick around to the end because I'll break down how the new league system works, how teams qualify, and why this change might make the Champions League even better, or worse. Alright, let's get into it. Step 1. The new league phase. Instead of the old group stage with 32 teams in groups of 4, the new format has 36 teams playing in a single league. Here's how it works. Each team plays 8 matches against 8 different opponents, 4 at home and 4 away. The matchups are based on seeding. Teams are divided into 4 pots based on their UEFA ranking. You'll face 2 teams from each pot, balancing the level of competition. This means no more easy groups or group of death. Every match matters. Step 2. How the league table works. All 36 teams are ranked in a single league table. Points are awarded as usual. 3 points for a win, 1 point for a draw, 0 points for a loss. After the 8 matches, the table determines who advances to the knockout phase. Step 3. How teams qualify for the knockout stage. Here's where it gets intense. The top 8 teams automatically qualify for the round of 16. Teams ranked 9th to 24th enter a 2-legged playoff. The winners join the top 8 in the round of 16. Teams ranked 25th to 36th, you're out. No Europa League or Conference League lifeline. This makes every match critical. You can't just cruise through like in the old group stage. Step 4. How the 4 extra spots are filled. The competition expands from 32 to 36 teams, so how are the extra 4 spots filled? 1 spot goes to the 5th ranked league in UEFA rankings. 1 spot goes to the best performing team from the Champions Path qualifying round. 2 spots go to the leagues with the best overall performance in UEFA competitions from the previous season. Basically, if your league is crushing it in Europe, you get rewarded. Step 5. Knockout rounds stay the same. Once we're down to 16 teams, it's business as usual. 2-legged ties for the round of 16, quarterfinals and semifinals. The final is a single match at a neutral venue. The stakes are higher because teams have to work harder just to make it to the knockout stage. Alright guys, that's the new Champions League format in a nutshell. What do you think? Better or worse than the old system? Drop a comment and let me know. If you liked this video, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more epic sports breakdowns and tips. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace!